Hello guys, so today we are going to be utilizing two online resources which you'll get to choose from to create a story to help show me that you can create a narrative piece of writing following the plot diagram. So to do this, you're first going to open up a web browser and you're going to open two tabs. Once you do this, go to the first tab, and I want you guys to go to www. not Netflix, storybird.com. Once you see this screen, you'll then click the other tab, and then I want you to go to www.storygumper.com. So now we have these two great resources in front of you, and you are going to sign up for both of them and then play around with them and select which one you think will help you create a story. So, step one for using Storybird is to click sign up for free, either up here or down here. Once you click that, you are then going to click student, and then you guys are going to click sign in right here so you can sign in with your Google account that you have through the school. You're going to click allow if you need to allow. And then this screen is going to pop up and it's going to ask you to create a username. So for this, I would prefer you to use at least your first name. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So Kelsey C123. And then I'm going to click create account. So it created my account. When this screen pops up, I want you to click next. See that little blue arrow? Click that. And then you're going to see another little window pop up right down here. And I want you to go ahead and click enter class code. So once you see this screen and you see join a class, enter class code, if you are in my red period class, you're going to enter this code, capital J, 9, 7, capital Q, 9. And it is case sensitive, so be careful. So if you're in my red period class, that is the code you'll type in. And now click join class. If you are in my green period class, you're going to type in the code capital A, capital B, capital Y, capital G, and then the number 8. And when you're all set with that, you're going to click join class. So now that you have joined my class, it is time to start creating on Storybird. So you're going to go up to the front screen right here, and the top, you're going to click the create tab. Once you do that, you're going to browse through the artwork that you see on your screen and select the one that you feel will help you write a nice story. So the way this website works is you pick the artwork that you're going to show in your story, and it will help guide the plot. Alrighty, so I think I could write a nice story about this. So once I find the artwork that inspires me, I'm going to click the image. Once the page loads, I'm then going to click use this art, and then I'm going to click picture book. As you can see, this bottom bar showcases the pages that are available to me. My first step is to click this cover page so I can give my book a title. You can title it title for now because you might not know your title until you're done writing. You can just enter some question marks. Either way, you need to type something here or it's not going to let you save. So this is Storybird. Once you are done and you have a title, you're going to want to click save and exit. Which will allow me to view your story from my account because you entered my class. Alright, so if you selected Storybird, you're going to then play around and start creating your story. Now let's go over and sign you up for StoryJumper. So for this, you are going to click sign up, and then just like we did with Storybird, you're going to click sign in with Google. All right, so I've made multiple accounts, so we're going to see which one it lets me. All right, there we go. So once you click your Google account that you have through the school, you're going to enter your birthday. If your birthday is after 2004, it's going to ask you to verify with your parents' email. Let me show you what will pop up. So if your birthday is 2005, you're going to get this. We don't want to have to email your parents, so go ahead and just click 2004. I promise all of your parents know that we're using these websites and they are all okay with it. So go ahead and once your birthday is in, click sign up. And then when it asks, do you want your teacher to see your books? Absolutely. Of course you want me to see your books. So you're going to click yes. Once you see this screen, you're going to click join class page. And then you're going to enter the correct class code and password. So if you are in my red period class, here's where you're going to type in 220, and then you notice the cursor jumped into the next box. And here you're going to type in 6085. And then the password for the red class is red, R-E-D-E-L-A. Now, if you are in my green class, this is the code you'll type in. The class code for green is 0586521. And then the class password is green, G-R-E-E-N-E-L-A. So once this is all set, you're going to then click submit. And if it asks this, do you already have a StoryJumper account? You're just going to click no. And then you're just going to sign back in with Google. And then you're going to click OK. So now that you've created an account, it's now time to start creating. So step 1 is to come over here and click create a book. Then you're going to select which type of book. Let's start with a blank one. And then you get to this screen. Click and watch this video. This video is an amazing tutorial on how to use this website. I am still learning how to use the website as I was used to Storybird because I've used it a lot before, and I'm still getting used to StoryJumper. So please follow and watch this video as it will really help you guys.
Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make a book using the new StoryJumper editor.
So it's going to help you navigate the website. Once you're done watching that and you're ready to start creating, go ahead and follow the prompts on your screen to do so. Over here you'll see how you can select which type of text to write, the props you want to include, the scenes, and the photos. And down here, just like on Storybird, you're going to click the front cover, add a title, and then you're going to click save and exit so I gain access to view your books. Alright, so you guys can now take the time to navigate both of these websites and see which one is going to fit your creative needs. And you're going to create your own short story following the plot diagram. Remember to include all 6 elements of plot for this, and I cannot wait to see your stories. If you guys have questions and you're not in class today, go ahead and send me an email and I will be sure to respond and help you out. Happy writing!